I want to say thank you because you believed in me. You believed in all of these students here.
Thank you so much for the people that have given us the opportunities.
This grant is fabulous because it serves all of our students to have an opportunity to get into the science engineer field.
I really enjoy it. This really helps us to get a start.
Because of this activity, we can be scientists, engineers.
They come to school every day at 7:30. They're like little robots. They come, they pick up their mission, and they start to work. They're coding.
You're not gonna get it perfect on the first try. So we do make mistakes, but we do try to correct them right away.
My favorite part of coding is when we code it to move back and forth.
It gives them a big incentive to do the work that needs to be done within the classroom because this is an enrichment class.
Thank you a lot for getting us these beautiful things for us to experiment with.
Thank you for giving us this chance to help us in the future.